Elijah from Dares and stuff, and we made fidget spinners.
Okay, now you film me. So basically, guys, I didn't come up with this idea. Jacob did. I'm not gonna take up the time. I'm not gonna take up your time and lie to you. Hold on. But basically, what you do, it's pretty simple. If you have a skateboard, you take the bearings off.
Yep.
Basically, what you do is make sure you have 4 bearings. Okay, now point it towards the table. You need a bearing for the middle, so you can
make sure the middle is really good.
So you can put the other bearings on,
And
and then you put you take this bearing, but you gotta keep it still, guys.
Yeah.
Or else it's gonna fall apart quick.
And just to let you know how much money I spent on this, I just bought some like dollar store super glue.
And it works good. Okay, back to you, Jacob. Okay, guys, there's only one problem with these fidget spinners that makes them not like other fidget spinners. Some people like to do that. You can't do that with this.
Yeah.
You just have to be a man and don't do the baby table stuff.
Yep.
Or else it's not going to work. You have to do it like a man. By the way, guys, I'm still getting a real fidget spinner. Don't worry about it. Hold on.
Hey, Mom.
Nothing. You buy me a foam pit.
It's up to me with the credit
Yeah,
card.
but I'm the one that downloaded Amazon, so you're gonna have to
tell me how cool this looks.
Boy, you can't even see the bearings on it. God, it's so dark out here, man.
Yeah, it's about to storm.
It's been storming all day. I mean, look at the ground. Okay, guys. So coming up, I'm gonna do a toilet paper fort in Walmart when Mom takes me there. Probably this Saturday. So y'all might want to check that out. And smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And we're just teaching you how to make simple fidget spinners.
Yeah.
Because on Amazon it takes like 3 months for you to get one. He ordered one last month and he still hasn't got it. But yeah, guys. Basically, if you're a skateboarder or your brother has a skateboard, he doesn't want it, or if you find an old skateboard with bearings on it, and in case you don't know what bearings are, just come with me. Okay, guys, let's go back out. When you have a skateboard, you see that part right there. You have to put those in because if your skateboard doesn't have those, then your wheel can just come off and it really doesn't spin that much, like he'll wobble back and forth. He just gave me this skateboard and I had to take the bearings off my other skateboard to put on this. Because this skateboard's way better. But yeah, guys. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is, all you have to do is, take the bearings off your skateboard, make a fidget spinner.
But you can get bearings off of like any kind of wheels, like yeah, like off of rollerblades, skateboard, scooters,
Well, yeah.
and some bikes.
I don't think you can get bearings off mine. Yeah, mine doesn't have bearings. Well, that bike ain't mine, really. Oh, yes. Oh, no. But yeah, guys. Thanks. Here, point it towards me. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to get my notifications. And guys, we'll see you next time. Say bye.